Okay, so now we've got the blender out of the box. We are excited to get started and try making things, but the first thing we need to do is clean it. And with the Vitamix 750, we have the cleaning setting that will do that for us automatically. So, first thing I'll do, the cord has a rubber band around it, so I'm going to just undo that. Okay. Then I'll take the lid off and put in a little drop of soap. And about half of the container full of warm water. Okay, there we go. Put this on, put the lid on, make sure that it's secure. Now I will plug it in. Click on the power switch on the side and you'll see the lights come on for the control panel. Okay, I'll turn it all the way down to the clean setting. And here we go.
Wow, that's not very loud.
No, it's a lot quieter than I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now we'll just take this off. You can see we got some overflow here on the top. So I'm not sure. Yeah, we might have a little too much water, but we'll adapt that process. Pour out the soapy water. Oh, I think I was supposed to pour it into the lid, but that's okay. We're going to just rinse everything off anyways. So. Okay, we have a, set it right here for now. And just like that, we have a clean blender ready to go.